niggas like that? There's 3 niggas on roof.
Fuck, it's another team. Oh, that's Nolo.
Yeah.
Fuck your bitch, cuz. It's another team. There's another team over there too at control.
That nigga running.
I think Nolo's on top.
Oh my god. Yeah, that's what I thought. They better kill you before I killed you.
Didn't die.
Somebody on the bottom.
Boy, you bitch ass nigga.
Fuck you, right there too. I can hear you, nigga. I hear you before you come, nigga.
Operators from that squad.
Okay. Where you at, Nola? Ooh, nigga, lucky I had a different gun. Who's this? Nolo got his gun? Oh, Nolo, hold it!
Reinforcements inbound.
Call for help, call for help, call for help! Oh no! Don't even try it. Don't.
Oh, nigga, I got killed by a different nigga. It's another team.
Marking the rest of that.
Nigga.
You have reinforcements inbound.
There's another team at tents too. They're pushing over there.
Fuck. Hold that nigga, grab that nigga. Hold that nigga. What's up, nigga? What's up, nigga? Huh? What's up, nigga? What's up?